Yo, what's good, guys? I'm here. Daniel's in the background. If he decides to speak, you'll hear him in the
Oi.
background. There he is. I'm in a trade right now, a buy for GBP USD. If you guys don't know what that is, it's Great British Pound versus the US dollar. And price has really deviated like 30+%. It looks really nice. Took a buy. But also, price is also lining up well to go against me. So this is just a battle. You're just going to have to see what happens either today or tomorrow, maybe a cliffhanger. And yeah, let's just check out the charts. Okay. I know my lighting may not be the best. I'm just kind of too select to put the other one on. And by the way, guys, this is probably a cliffhanger if I don't lose today and if price decides to go up. You guys are definitely going to have to wait till tomorrow because I'm holding it for all of New York, and I usually sleep in New York, so I wake up early and I don't become deprived of sleep. So right now, this is how it's looking. I'm just going to explain the reason why I took a buy on GBP USD. I'll start off with the biases, guys. So let's just zoom out. You can clearly see, what do you think is happening right now? People can think reversal, that's one bias. People can think price could be grabbing the bottom here to push up for a range as well, to grab the top here, come back down, grab the bottom here, go back up, grab the top, and then come back down for a reversal. That's another thing because price has been going up for a bit. Or continuation. So this is just a big retracement for price to continue pushing up, which I think it is a big retracement for price to continue pushing up for another reason why. Is if I go to the 4-hour time frame, I don't usually do this, but if I just check it out, 4-hour time frame, we go back to this baby right here. Right, we'll measure this right here. Up here to actually, I'll move this into the center. I don't think I can. Oh no, I can. There we go. So I'll measure the bottom here to the top. Price came back to the 50% retracement. Measure the bottom here to the top. Price came back to the 68% retracement. But if we measure this whole move, price came only back to the 38% retracement. So here it could be very iffy because I could just be getting fucked, or price could be rejecting like it did for the big move at the 38.60% retracement, which I'm pretty sure that is what it is. Could I have waited a bit more? Probably. Didn't necessarily need to take a trade right now. I just thought price was going to reject off this pretty quickly. On top of the biases, guys, because 2 out of the 3 biases are buys. One of them are only sells. The reason why I say that we have a bit of competition is because I know the new people who are watching this, it may not make sense, but just stick with me. I'll try to explain it in newbie terms or beginner terms. So I start from the top here. This is what you call a Fibonacci. Don't ask me what it's really used for. When price rejects certain areas, has a higher chance, or you can use it as a confluence, which is like an extra confidence to take a trade, either selling or buying. So the reason why this is a yellow 61.8% retracement is because here is the sweet spot where price can usually reject and push to the downside or upside. In this case, it's the downside. On top of that, you can clearly see there's a monthly open price, which price rejected off, came up, came back down and closed below, which was a good sign for price to push down, which I had that in mind because there was also no news today. And that's why I was waiting very patiently to take a buy here, just because it would have been one of the best or the only buy best opportunities to take, if that makes sense. On top of this, guys, once we've looked at the reason why it can go against us, which is the sell bias and all the confluences supporting price pushing against us, which was the 61.8% retracement and the monthly open price confluence, we have to look at and understand the buying opportunities. The reason why I took a buy here is because price has not touched the other side of the daily open. Could it possibly not touch it today? Yes. Could it come back tomorrow and touch it? Yes. But the reason why I took this is because obviously 2 out of the 3 biases are buys, so it's a pretty good chance. And on top of that, price has grabbed all these 4-hour liquidities. All these purple lines, guys, resemble higher time frame liquidity. Right now we're on the 5-minute time frame. These purple lines are the 4-hour time frames, and price just went straight through it without doing nothing. So I'm expecting at least a bit of retracement, at least to this area here, which if I'm still awake for, I'll cash out for my break even, move my stop loss to break even, meaning it's a free trade. But besides that, prices deviated around 36%, which has also given me another great opportunity to take a buy. The reason why is because the more prices deviated from the daily open, which is this light blue line, the higher chance or the better probability of price coming back to it, especially if price hasn't gone onto the other side, or if price hasn't touched the daily open multiple times, as it kind of did just here, which I kind of missed out. I'll put a love heart there. No, not a love heart. I'll put a circle around this area, which can be a possibility, which can invalidate the probability. The reason why is if price was like this, I will be more confident in taking a buy, as price has not touched the daily open. Although what we see here is price touched it a few times at the start before London open, and then came off it and it hasn't come back since. So I'm expecting at least in New York open or the closer to the end of London for price to make its way back to the daily open. That's really why I've decided to take a buy, guys. It's looking all nice and sweet. And right now, if I'm gonna get this video out today, I will need to end the video now. So you guys tell me what you think, what price is gonna do. GBP, USD, buy or sell, where do you think it's gonna go? Am I gonna get fucked? Am I cooked? No diddy? Or am I gonna fuck up the markets? So we'll see what happens later, guys. Hopefully you'll here tomorrow, because I'll be the live where I'll be explaining what happened or what I could have done better, or if I've won. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace.